Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am sharing a very unique recipe made up of yogurt and gram flours with gram flour fritters dunked into it. It can be prepared only with few ingredients like yogurt, gram flour, red chili powder, turmeric powder, salt and with some water and oil. Start this recipe. First of all, we will prepare yogurt curry. For this we need a pan in which we will pour some oil, about 2-3 tablespoons, and let it hot. Now add sliced onions. Slices should be very thin. You can chop them so that it will not visible in prepared curry. Let it cook on medium flame and keep stirring. Onion gets translucent or changes their color, add ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon. Let these two ingredients cook until the color changes to light brown on low medium flame. Keep stirring so that ginger garlic won't stick to the pan. Now add 2 teaspoons of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and mix. A little fry. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Keep stirring and cook on very low flame for 5 minutes. When the oil separates, add half cup of water and let it cook for another 5 minutes on very low flame. In the meanwhile, let's prepare gram flour and yogurt lassi. For this, we need half cup of gram flour and 200 grams of yogurt. Mix both ingredients with a spoon. It will take about 5 minutes to mix completely. In making of curry, we prefer a little sour yogurt. Mix it so smoothly that there will be no lumps left, just like a paste. Now add about 1 liter of water to make it liquid lassi. Mix it thoroughly. Now add this lassi to already prepared ginger garlic masala. Now mix all the ingredients with the ladle and add another liter of water so that it can cook for another 2 hours on a very slow heat. Let's prepare fritters. For this we need 2.5 gram of gram flour in which we add 1 teaspoon of salt, about half teaspoon of red chili powder, about half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed powder, 1 chopped green chili fresh, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon is garlic powder. Mix all the ingredients and add water gradually. so that no lump will form. Mix this fritter mixture with the fork in this way so that maximum air can trap into the batter. This will help to make fritter a soft and puffy. When the batter becomes soft and paste-like texture, add half teaspoon of baking soda. Now mix again. Mix and let it set for another half an hour while keep covered in a warm place. Keep stirring your lassi curry occasionally so that it won't stick to the pan. Mixing thoroughly makes it more liquidy and no lumps will be there. Let's fry our fritter. We have to heat some oil in the wok. Check it out by adding small amount of fritter mixture. If starts bubbling, then add mixture with the help of large spoon. Add one by one spoon into the bubbling oil. Let it cook from the one side and turn their other sides. The flame should be medium to low so that fritters can cook from the inside too. If the flame is too high, they will cook from the outside but thick from the inside. And if the heat is too low, they will become hard. It may take 5 to 7 minutes to cook the fritters completely. When the fritters completely cook, remove them from the oil and add them into the cold water just for 1 minute before adding to the curry mixture. Now add soaked fritter into the yogurt curry. If you don't want the fritters to be very soft, you can add these fritters as it is direct from the heating oil to the curry mixture. Now cook this mixture for 5 minutes on a very low heat, or you can steam them with a hot covered pan. Let's check the fritters. They are very soft and juicy from inside, completely cooked. Turn off the flame and it's time to prepare tempering for this curry. Make tempering with the help of little oil in the pan. Let's say half cup of oil and other tempering ingredients like cumin seeds, curry leaves, whole red chilies and green chilies. Cook them on the pan for 5 minutes. When the ingredient starts bubbling, add this mixture on the top of the cooked curry. Yummy Pakistani style curry is ready. You can serve it hot with rice and naan.